Hello, lovies, and happy Valentine's Day. It is the day of love. And I thought I would jump on here really quick, of course, to wish you guys all a happy Valentine's Day and to show you my little creation that I made for my husband. I'm going to show you what I made him for Valentine's Day, which is just simply a card. But I thought it was adorable because I'm all about this punny Valentine's. You guys, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I like freaked out over the whole punny Valentine thing, collection that came out from Michael's and with the food, and it was just so cute, and that made me think about puns and things like that. And I was sitting here one day and I've gotten a few comments, like people saying, "Come on, Missy, you're such a classy lady. Why do you say so stinking cute all the time?" You know, I've had a few comments like that and things like that. And I just have to say, it's not about being classy. It's just one of my favorite catchphrases. It's just something that I say when I just love something. I just think something is so stinking cute. I don't know. So I was thinking about that the other day, and I was thinking, you know, that is a cute little pun. There could be something cute to go with that. So with that being said, with my favorite catchphrase that I must say, like in my haul videos and when I create things and stuff like that, I must say, so stinking cute 50 million times. If I had $1 for every time I said that on YouTube, I'd be rich. So I thought about it the other day and I was like, oh, I need to make my husband a homemade card. And I'm going to show you what I came up with. So for his envelope, I thought it was so funny. I did the whole like junk food thing because this is part of that punny Valentine that came from Michael's. And it says, "I love you more than junk food." And I had this adorable hamburger and french fries washi, which is my husband's absolute favorite. His favorite place in the world to eat is Five Guys. And I hate it. But that's his favorite. And I was thinking, you know, after you eat all of that junk food, what happens? Yeah. So this is my take on punny Valentine. I think you're so stinkin' cute on the inside. And of course I'm going to write him a whole thing, but I'll keep all that private. That's between my husband and I. So when I was thinking about, I think you're so stinkin', I was thinking, well, what stinks? And of course, after you eat a whole bunch of junk food, your caca stinks, your doo-doo. I hope you guys are cracking up because I know he's going to crack up when he sees this. I just think this is so funny and I had to share it with you. And I thought I'd make one with you guys on camera to show you how simple this is because people like, I'm learning the more I'm working in my bullet journal and I'm doing tutorials and things. I watch how-tos on how to do stuff on, believe it or not, Pinterest. And some of them aren't videos. Some of them are just pictures of step by step. And following that has helped me so much in my drawing skills, if you will. And this was so easy. It's so easy. I think you guys know what these are. These are little kawaii pieces of poopy. And I think it's adorable. I think it's so stinky cute. So I just had to share this with you just for something silly and fun on Valentine's Day. And I hope you guys are going to have a blessed day. And even if you don't have a significant other, it's also about friendship. And I am your friend and I love you. And I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. So without further ado, I'm going to show you really quick how I put this together because, oh my gosh, guys, it's so stinking easy. So I thought for this one, I would use a different color because I used this like orangey, it's more like a peachy color because I thought it would do well with the poopies. That's what you want to call it. Never in my life thought I'd make a video where I'm talking about poop, but you never know. But for this one, I'm going to use pink and see how it turns out. A very pale pink. And listen, for your supplies, guys, I mean, so easy. You're going to need a card and an envelope. You're going to need a pencil because this is what I do in my bullet journal as well. I always sketch everything out and then I get some nice pens, which I use these Paper Mate pens, which I got from Amazon. Many of you guys have asked me. It's the Paper Mate Flares and you get a 12-pack, I believe. I think I paid $7.99 from Amazon. So those are the pens I use. And then of course I color in the little pieces of poop with colored pencils. And I just used 3 different shades of brown to give it some depth. And I used some washi. And then for the little girl, I used a little bow from, I got a little bling on it. A bow that, some of these bows I had left over from Hobby Lobby. But if you're really good at drawing, you could probably draw your own bow and color it in. And of course, some stickers, which I got from the Dollar Tree. That's it, guys. Super simple. Make it your own. But just in case you want to see how I put together real quick the little pieces of doo-doo. It's really, really easy. You just start off with your little base. So you're just making like, how I do it is I make like half C's like this. Like this is my base boy. Alright, and then I want my little girl kind of tucked behind him. So I start off from there like this. And then like this and only go half. And then I give it the other half C. And then I'll connect them like this. And then from there, I'll do another little oomph, oomph. And then from there, I'll do another little oomph. And then I give them a little thing. And then bring it down. And then that's it, guys. See how easy that was? And then to make it look more realistic, I'll take some of these in to give it like, I don't know. These make it look more like it's caca. It's doo-doo. If that makes sense. Okay? It's so simple. I hope you guys saw. So simple. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to give this like a little oomph. And then you're going to give this a little oomph. And then you're going to take this in and give it a little flare. And then you'll take this side in and give it a little. And see? Now if I'd done that with my little markers first, I'd have been very upset because I didn't give that nice little point. And then I'll do the same thing, but I'll kind of do it on a different space. I'll give her like one here, and then I'll give her one here. And it kind of needs a little more right here. So we'll bring it in like right here. And then we'll bring that in on top of it. And then we'll bring that down like that. And listen, guys, they don't have to be perfect. My little doo-doos are not perfect, as you can see. They are not perfect. They don't have to be perfect. That's just the way it is. And then I just take my black pen. And then I'm going to go over my lines. I hope you guys can see. I think that works. And then I'm just going to go over my lines. My pencil marks. And then this one I make fluent. See how simple that is? And then I have little pieces of doo-doo. Hope you guys don't think I'm crazy. But I love this little punny stuff and I think it's hysterical. Okay, there's my little pieces of doo-doo. And then for their faces, you can do this, you can kind of draw it out first if you wanted to. I just bring the little boy's eyes a little closer to this side so it looks like more he's kind of like leaning towards her. Just like that. Make big quiet eyes. I think that's why everybody loves them, because they have big eyes. I give them a little U for lips. I give them little cheekies. And then for the girl, it's, I guess, upside down U's. Like that. And then I just give her little flicks of eyelashes off to the side. And then I do the same thing. I give her a little tiny U for a mouth. And then little dots. And that's it, guys. That's how simple that is. And then the next step from here is just to color in. And, well, you need to write too. So I should do that first. And I think for this one, I think I'm just going to stick with the black. It's really simple. You just write it however you want. And believe me, guys, I don't think my handwriting is the best either, but I just do it. And I give the little eyes little hearts. There we go. And then down here I'll write a little bigger. There we go. And then we'll put the little dots. And then you'll open this up. And then put cute on the inside. Okay. And then all that's left to do is put your little smelly squiggles. I do two big and one smaller. That's how I've been doing it. There's your smelly squiggles, and then all you have to do is color it in. It's that easy. And then after you get it colored in, then I will take one of these bows, and then for this one, because I already have pink, I'll probably use red. And I will take one of these red bows. Let's see. And I will glue it right to her little head right there. And then, like I said, guys, if you're, if you don't have the little bows and you're a good drawer, if that's a word, you can draw yourself a little bow right there. And that's it, guys. That's how I made my little, I think you're so stinking cute card. So I'm just going to take a minute, color all of this in, and then we'll glue her little bow down, and I'll be back. And then, guys, if you're wondering how I color it in, I always do real dark to shadow. And then I do a little bit of a highlight, which was this lighter color, and then the doo-doo itself is just brown. If that helps anything. I don't know. There is the one in pink. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest with you. I don't know if I like the peachy one. I think the peachy one makes the doo-doo look a little bit more browner, which if you're going to do doo-doo on your card, that might be a bonus to have more browner caca. But nonetheless, I think they are adorable. I hope this quick little tutorial that is very funny made your day. I hope you have a very blessed and wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you like my little take on my own little punny Valentine that I'm going to be giving to my husband, because in my personal opinion, I think my husband is the cutest, most stinkingest thing I've ever seen. That's my personal opinion. And I think he'll get quite a kick out of my homemade card that I made him, that I will give to him at dinner tonight when he comes home from work. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on here and do something silly and fun with you guys for Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful one. Be blessed. I love you. Today is all about love. And it doesn't just have to be between lovers. It could be friends. I love you. Have a wonderful day. And always do what you love. Talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.